Hey, what is up guys? In today's video we are going to replace rear sway bar links or drop links on my BMW E90 320D. Before we start with the job, I pre-soaked the bolts with some WD-40 and left it for a while to penetrate the rust. For this job you will require some pliers, Allen 5mm key and wrench sizes 13 and 17mm. On the old sway bar link there is no insertion for Allen key on the other side of screw, so I gripped it with some pliers and I found it easier to remove it with a wrench socket 17mm as it gave me more advantage over strength. To remove drop link from sway bar, I put a jack under wheel arm to lift it a bit, and when the screw positioned with the hole, it was easier to remove it. For the bolt on the bottom side, we will use wrench size 13mm. There is night and day difference between an old and new drop link. The old joint is completely deteriorated and it moves without putting any effort, when on the new one I can hardly even move it. Before installing a new drop link, I will soak threads with some WD-40 to remove any debris from rust. Then put the screw back in place by hand and tighten it with wrench size 13mm. Place the wheel arm higher with the jack to position the joint with a hole on sway bar. On the upper joint, tighten the bolt with wrench size 17mm and Allen key 5mm. I hope my video was useful. If you would like to support my work, leave a like and comment below. In case you're interested in similar videos on BMW E90, you can subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on notifications, which will inform you about my next uploaded video. Thank you again for your attention and see you in the next video.